So what exactly are you doing?
I'm fitting this water pump. And then when I've fitted this, I'll hook it up to salt water so that we can use the salt water to have a saltwater shower, and we can use it to clean the boat.
Lovely.
And we can have a saltwater tank in the galley.
Sounds great. In what way are you fitting it?
I'm just securing it to the deck in here, which is the engine space, and I'm securing it in here. Right, that's the pump quite secured. That's a freshwater pump there with a filter from the tank. And then this is our saltwater pump, which I've got to now fit the hose connections to. I've got to put an inlet and an outlet on it. I've got an inlet and an outlet, so I've got to connect up.
Tell me, what did you just do?
Well, I fitted this pump. It's a water pump, but I'm going to use it for salt water. We've got the freshwater pump on one side, and I've put a saltwater pump on the other side, and I'm going to put that, run that through into the boat so it can have a saltwater shower.
And how about the sink, the salt water coming to the sink?
Yeah, I'm going to put around the salt water to the sink as well so we can have a saltwater tap in the galley.
So did you have to buy this pump separately?
Yeah, I had to buy the pump and all the pieces to put it all together.
Right, this is a saltwater pump, right?
Yes.
And how much does it cost?
I think that was about £70.
Oh, okay. And the freshwater pump comes with the boat, right?
Yes, that was on the boat.
Lovely jubbly. What are you doing at the moment? Why are you taking these things out?
Because I've got to get down to the bottom of the locker to drill through into the engine compartment to run a pipe through up to where the shower is up there. So I've got to take everything out of here.